The deco they have statues from Squid Game. Alrighty, so we're shopping at Daiso. I've got few stuff. We arrived at our second Daiso. Yesterday we walked 20,000 steps. So today I haven't checked yet, but we did walk a lot. So kind of tired, but still kind of fun at the same time. On our way to our So we are inside the subway, changing trains. What is this? Since we came out of the train, we went up, then we went down, now we're going up. Okay, we are at Hongdae, just got out of the subway. Now I think we're going that way. Thank you. Bless you. Oh my goodness. What's there? Snacks. So there's like a shooting zone down there, and the deco they have statues from Squid Game. Nice and sunny evening. Okay. Tashi said this is very popular and very happening location.
Stand clear of the moving car. 이 마을이시야.
홀까. Alrighty, so we're shopping at Daiso. I've got few stuff, and I've got more stuff in that basket. So that basket has all of our stuff. And
Should I just bring a basket for myself?
okay, we did quite a bit shopping at Daiso, but since we didn't get all the stuff we're looking for, so we're going to the next Daiso. See there. It's getting dark. Tashi's friend came and Kim and Mare. Tashi's friend came to meet all of us. Now we are actually headed to a different Daiso. Okay. Our last night in Seoul is coming to an end. Okay, we arrived at our second Daiso. Now I think by the time we come out of it, it's gonna be dark. Let's go. I just hope I get the keychains I want for my boys because the first one didn't have any. Alrighty. See ya. Okay, so we came to the 7th floor, grabbed some more utensils, some personal use, some for gifts. Now we are going down to the 3rd floor. Can you please press 3, darling?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay. We're kind of done with Daiso. Sorry, Daiso. I keep forgetting the name. Now we're headed somewhere. I think we're headed to get a dinner. I think. Yeah. Howdy. We're done with the second Daiso and they didn't have any of those keychains that I was looking for that I saw at the Jang's Daiso. The Jang's Daiso was so big and so good, and I liked a lot of keychains there, but because we had to carry it, we didn't get it there, and I regret it now. Because we went to 2 Daiso here and they didn't have any of those. They have all the girly keychains and my boys don't really like girly keychains. So I'm thinking now I'm gonna have to end up buying from one of those stores. Because we did see a lot of stores, like even in the subway, lots of them. So I'm sure we will see one of them as we go to the dinner. So I'm gonna get whatever I see this time. I'm not gonna be like, I'll buy later. So from 2, this is my shopping from 2 Daiso. I did get some good stuff, but I just didn't get the most important one for me. That's the deal right now. So on our way for dinner, I'm gonna look for the kitchen now. If not today, I'll make sure I look for it tomorrow because our flight is at 7 p.m. We have to leave the hotel around 3, so I just have to make sure in the morning find them. Good game. Alrighty. We walked a lot since we came here. Every day it was like, I don't remember properly. From 15 yesterday, we walked 20,000 steps. So today, I haven't checked yet, but we did walk a lot. So kind of tired, but still kind of fun at the same time. Alrighty, I'll keep you updated later. So now we are going for dinner, I think. But these are all like restaurants. Alrighty. See ya. Ji Chang-wook terrace advertisement. Okay, yeah, Momula actually got her stuff at one of these boutique down there. Okay, so I'm checking clip at a store. Checking clip at a store. Okay, so we're here. I'm not sure if we're going to this Impact place or good restaurant. He's saying the celebrity came here, so Lagi di barbecue saja jadi dinner lah. So itu kalau na, kadang di dinner is barbecue. So taring tashi di bawah. Kami harus John dan Aji. Aji barang je. So ni je nanti kalau ni mesti. Tashi gin, school itu kalau very old friends doa. They met at Vancouver. So ani, ini kisu session ni je kurang Just one shot. So Aji is eating bibimbap since she doesn't eat meat.
공기밥 필요해.
Ani,
오케이. If the finished meat, then we make I can order 볶음밥. It's a mixed rice and Korean people eat like that.
또 우리 치우사죠?
cheers. cheers.
그 소주 얘기야.
나는 소주구나. 잘하면 되는 거잖아.
아직도 매일 너무 밀리거든. 매일 정도로. 아주 쉬워. Cheers. 오케이.
되게 많이 네.
다르겠지.
One of my favorite noodle, but there is they use meat sauce.
No, gelatin.
Gelatin.
Yeah, gelatin.
So maybe I don't want to recommend.
이게 프라이치야죠?
Today, tonight's dinner is
And then
tonight's dinner is barbecue.
여기 율집 필요 없어?
여기 I show you 30.
이 친구예요.
Together and kimchi and then
어디서?
Korean 사단 love
some fruit
It's more like fun.
and eat.
So this is how you eat.
그러면 이렇게 해봐.
빨리
소주.
소주. 내말 cheers.
Cheers, John.
가서 샷 찍고.
Yeah, where's the coffin?
Here.
Oh yeah, put me some in here. The rest of it, yeah. Touch here.
최씨 가자. 너 죽이다. 이게 있어. 이게 뭐야? 뭐야?
Ningji. John, he has little baby, but he still made time to meet Tashi, special Tashi.
Don't use me.
That good.
After that, okay.
Hopefully you have lots of subscribers.
Thank
after
you.
we record this situation.
This okay. Thank you so much, John. Yeah. Now
My English is good. Maybe I say more.
I'm gonna try this. We added like rice. We added thing. Let's see.
Like a Guiro. Like Guiro.
In India, we went, Dalai Lama. we went to see Dalai Lama, get a blessing. And then in Nepal, we went to North Himalaya.
Oh, you went? Himalaya?
The whole family, big family.
Actually, I saw some picture from Facebook. Maybe,
2 months off from my work.
Anything with meat and rice is good.
너 지금 페이스북 써요? 너도 안 써지?
but I tried.
Also, they tell me, come on, you did this on me. Okay.
But we are having.
하나씩 먼저 해.
Okay, so I think the Korean style to eat the barbecue. After the barbecue, they bring like rice with the meat, and then egg, and then seaweed. They mix, kind of like fried rice. That looks good. Voila. So there is meat, there is egg, there is vegetables, seaweed. Looks good. Okay, this is where we sat earlier. So we are done our dinner, 10 p.m. What is the name of the restaurant? I think a lot of celebrity came here. This celeb came here. So we are done with the dinner already. Thank you. So, they have lots of celebs ad. This place, the one we went to, I don't know the name. Apparently some celebrity, like Korean celebrity, came here, enjoyed their food, and it was actually pretty good. So oh my god, delicious. So that's us.
Another way, sometimes good, sometimes bad.
Okay, on our way home now. On our way to our hotel now. And this is the clan. And it's our last night in Seoul, and our cab is here already. Hi, we're back into the hotel now, and I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much to all the viewers and all the subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel. We will really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Thank you.